If you have not visited Jamaica in a very long time, you're going to need to watch these videos. Recently, 4 sisters took a trip to Jamaica. We have never traveled from 4 deep before. However, some were going for parties, food and culture, and some of us were going for food and culture. Some of us would be me. I did not go for the partying or the freedom tour, but I was definitely there for the food and the culture. My sisters go to Jamaica all the time for partying, but this was my first trip with them. I did not go for the party. I was there for the food and the frolicking. And I went in search of hidden waterfalls, hidden springs. I drank from spring heads. I went to rivers. I went to streams. I went to brooks. I got eaten alive by cowtick. I drank more coconut water than there were coconuts in Jamaica. I ate more sugar cane, more roasted breadfruit, and everything. I stayed at some great Airbnbs and some whose name I will not mention. This Airbnb was the most delightful. I'll talk about this one once I've asked for permission to share, but it was beautiful. This one was in Kingston. We could not have asked for a more comfortable space. Look at this dressing room. It was amazing. We started off the trip here, and then we enjoyed some food in Kingston, and then we hit the road to the... I think my breakfast is here. Uber Eats, courtesy of my sister. Why are your hands empty? She came back without the breakfast. She couldn't wait for us to go out and have a nice sit down. She's an early morning eater. I am not an early morning eater. She got a lot of stuff. Don't make the gravy leak out of the ackee. Hold on a minute. I'm supposed to have 3. You have 3 boxes and a thing on the top. I have 3 boxes? Yes. Okay, that's what I'm supposed to have, 3 boxes. Yay, breakfast time. Yes. What did you get? I got liver. I need some liver. I need some iron.
Cabbage and saltfish.
Is the liver for me?
I have cabbage and saltfish. I have salt mackerel, peanut porridge,
Well,
American porridge, and I have
ooh,
salt
let's see
mackerel.
this. Then what, mate, Mom? Ooh, there's a shocking lack of dumpling in this box, but I'll tell no lie. Where you eating the liver?
I don't know. I should.
I should give you a
I
little
didn't know
bit
it
of
would-
liver.
I didn't know it would look like this. Cabbage and saltfish.
Oh my god. Ooh, that is a shocking lack of ground food. Like, I don't think we can see the banana there.
And I hope
No,
you
sir.
Oh, I've fried dumpling.
A tourist food is.
So people, there's 1 dumpling.
Oh my god, that's
There was
tourist
supposed
food.
to be 1 dumpling with each.
So another box then. Maybe there was a dumpling in there.
Salt mackerel.
Jesus Christ. We need to write. We need to write the manager. We need to write somebody. This is. I mean, I love the pumpkin because the pumpkin good for my eye and whatever. But with the dumpling.
I know.
But what about dumpling? Well, anyway, I'm gonna have it. I just made some ginger tea.
Yeah, I was gonna
Right.
say that's it.
Let's enjoy breakfast in our little dining area, and then we hit the road and see what else we can eat. Spoiler alert, I will not be eating demure anywhere on this trip, so do not even comment to say why am I eating like that, because I am about to chow down. From here on out, it is 2 sisters conversing at breakfast. If you do not want to be nosy and listen to our dialogue, skip forward to the part where we head out to St. Thomas. What is good?
I don't know
Taste
the
whatever it
difference
does.
between Jamaican food that's made here or not.
First of all, when you put the fork in this pumpkin, the way you feel the fork go down, you listen to that dry pumpkin. And dry.
So put yourself your liver so I can't try it, man. I'm ready. I'm going to buy 3 because this is crazy.
I thought it was a box full of liver. Turns out it is a box of liver and gravy. The gravy for the bottom of the box. But whose idea was it to put this in a box? Now, George, you can box this. Watch out, it's small, man.
Because the inside is the foam.
Whose idea is it to put this in this? I mean, I guess it doesn't look like it's soaking through, but we can't get at the gravy.
Oh, this is not good.
Okay. Let me get some of that gravy then.
It's crazy.
You know the liver box, like all over the place. See if we can cut that dumpling here. It's a 2-hand dumpling, my lord. Oh, we're in the microwave it, you know. Because I'm supposed to know some microwave and make the food tight.
You got perfect. Dada pumpkin like this. Didn't chocolate? Okay, what were you doing here the whole time?
I was bringing my stuff upstairs.
I'm gonna leave you.
And organizing them. I know exactly what I'm wearing, and I'm not wearing any makeup. And I'm gonna be quick.
Check out these fair and clean.
Doesn't mean I didn't shower. It means I didn't use any hot water because when I turned off the AC, it got warm.
Oh, you see the red light on the bottom, so the hot water must come now. Jamaica.
Actually, it's not because the pumpkin at the West Indian stores, many of them are dry and they come from either Mexico or one of these Spanish countries. Because I'm pretty sure that's where Bravo get their stuff. The thing you used last night, was it sweet?
I use sweetener.
Oh, really?
I can drink my tea. Yeah, I also mix all the sweetener can make ginger tea.
No, no tears. Did I bring a sugar? No, no tears.
You grate the ginger?
Well, like the grate, I use all of it. I couldn't cut
Did
it.
you use the rest of it?
Yeah, I did. You're gonna have to have. After breakfast, we head out to the country to meet up with the other siblings. The highway was beautiful. Do not get me wrong. The scenery was just amazing. But we're not in the country yet. One of my favorite things about driving to the country is passing the beautifully painted shops, bars, and houses. These painted shops are a quintessential part of the Jamaican motif. I've captured it before on other trips, and this time I did the same. Now, St. Thomas has been called the Forgotten Parish. I find it quite offensive. But then again, once you get to St. Thomas and you see the roads we have to drive on, you'll realize why. If you're not from the eastern side of the country, what does it feel like to be God's favorite? We were driving 5 miles an hour to go everywhere. But there is hope. They are working on the roads. But my goodness. I think this is what hell on wheels mean. On some part of the roads, people had to get out of the car to go look and direct the other person where to put the wheels so that we don't get stuck in a pothole.
Where is this, Port Moran?
But anyway, we made it to our family's house and we were so overjoyed to see each other again after so long because I had not seen my brother in like 20 years.
Oh, this is so bright and pretty. Huh? It's my brother.
If you have a mother?
Oh, God.
My brother!
100%.
Finally, let me see if we can catch some light.
So that's a
Tell her
dark?
that
No,
it's
my
by
camera
enough,
good man.
enough.
The camera good man.
Man, it's so dark.
No man,
Ah,
that
there
good,
it
that
is.
good feel, that good day.
That's
That's
my
clear and
brother. How old are you? 50? 51?
53 now.
53, I'm 50.
54 next year.
I mean, I'm 40 something.
You're 47 now?
No, I'm 50.
Yeah, baby.
Oh,
Oh, yes,
53,
yes.
Roger,
You
can I
got
tell?
that 3. You got that 2 year, 1.5 year.
What? Everybody have 1.5 year.
Yes.
Everybody have 1.5 year.
I
You
lie the way. Lie the
70,
way.
Phyllis at 72, Baby at 73, me at 74,
Lie
like
that
76.
76.
Everybody
All
a
lie
year
the
and a half
way.
apart.
And then Kathy and then Stacy and then what again?
Kefian.
Kathy and
I have a
Kefian and
confession. I have a confession, Roger.
you do.
I just come down the road a while ago and I saw this good-looking boy and I said, that guy a good-looking, he must be the only good-looking guy at St. Thomas. For one bike.
Right,
And
that's
then
right.
drive past.
But
And
you
then
don't know
he
you
just
like
pull on the
that.
lane a while ago and I said, that guy the good-looking, you know? I'm the only good-looking guy with you at St. Thomas. Lord God. Ryan. I'm a nephew. Woo! I almost went cougar on my nephew. I was about to kick some mad game. Huh? Where there? But I ask anybody if he's not good looking. He must have gone change. Yeah? How old is he?
Tyson, not Chile, and Tyson.
Which one of them did I meet in Port Morant? Probably Ryan. Miss Ryan, I never know some nephew. Shame. 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 Shame.
Yo.
My big nephew, my good looking nephew. Him good looking, no. Natural liquids, natural waters. We're not drinking no tap, no bottled until we go back to New York or Connecticut. I saw jelly chop.
A little neat, yeah?
Yes. Now if you don't know this, now you know. When you go to St. Thomas, the jelly water start to flow. Yes! I want strong. The jelly meat is thick enough. Yes, we can't wait to eat that. Man. I don't want to spray me again. Life is what happens when you're busy making plans.
Jelly water that only skin, you just know.
Huh?
The skin, this, the water.
I'm in the airport and I call me job for Carlo. Mr. Over call me and say, you know, Carlo, never call me from the job line. They can't come from my cell phone. I mean, I did say me sick. I mean, I come and work today. Woo!
I don't need never them. And I put on to him, police. I put on to him. Find him. Find him and meet him. And know him.
Oh my God. Uncle, the jelly has gone up.
My heart wash off.
Then I need to get her groove back. She in Jamaica, so you can stay there.
Water come like it can't never done. Jeez.
No man,
Sonnet, the girl.
are you?
Sonnet, girl.
Are you can drink? Ryan.
Ryan, tell me from my school from the
The youngest son, be careful. The youngest son of the church.
Church.
Yes,
Yes, sweetheart, yes.
Chop off one spoon off our side.
Radnik.
What did you think
Everybody,
about
He said he retired already.
retire?
Yes.
Yeah,
He said he handed over to me, but he handed over to me too late.
7 years ago. And it's on the Phillies now.
He handed over to me when I was 50, so no, what am I going to do now?
I don't Phillies like.
No kids for me. 9 kids for him, none for me. 9.
7 years. 7 years now.
But him hand over kids to me now. When we can't have none again.
Go down. Right now, look for them and take them. Yeah, they don't know what.
One of them spoon them. I strip them. Feel his language.
Thank you.
One
One boy.
Make him go. His daughters are great. You know, go.
I know, that's why I said to me, say, oh, me not carry the green.
No, but you can't carry the green. Only carry the green.
Me know.
I am ashamed to say it, but yesterday when I got on the plane, I did not have my C5 form. No, when I got to the airport, I did not have my C5 form. But I filled it out when I was waiting to be checked in, so before boarding. So, if you're traveling to Jamaica, man, woman, boy, girl, pick me, fill out the C5 form. It doesn't matter where you're born. It doesn't matter where you live, as long as you're going to Jamaica. Tourists, residents, everybody, complete the C5 form. The website is Enter Jamaica. I forget. enterjamaica.gov.jm. enterjamaica.gov.jm. Fill out the C5 form or go to the airport like everybody else, land, and I fill it out when you're supposed to be on the line. And by the time when you're done, the immigration line long. Fill out the form before you go up on the plane. Or fill it out on the plane when you're on board. Or enterjamaica.gov.jm.
enter jamaica.gov.jm. Some airlines send it to you after you book your ticket, but not all airlines do, because I went with Caribbean and they did not send it. They told us at the airport to fill it out. And everybody was like, what website, what website? It's not one mother filling it out for her kids. Every child must have their own form. Once you get to the airport, you show them the email, you just walk right past. Anyway, I am Gail of 876 Documents, coming to you live from my birth parish in St. Thomas with my sisters and my brother. Thanks for watching.
All right, good.
Ryan, listen to me say, what we want him to do for the bed and stuff. Is this Acadia? No, Acadia back when they. So where he run gone with the bag? Over right to send it off. Then why did she leave the house with the bag and then send it back? I don't understand.
You know about the bag? The person forget to put the things in the bag.
What things is that?
These things.
We give some stuff and we be careful that. Oh, there was a lot. You know what, gone? I'll come back no person. Somebody that was last night, maybe. Yep. Maybe they got a white baby.
Hey! Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's what comes on fire, sir? Check over this side. I feel around this? Who dead? Look at the guy. Look at this guy again. Look at this guy. Look at this. Look at this.
Him the one behind a funeral procession.
What the people them? Look here. I pull over so this man can go over back there lane and they come past me.
They don't want to be a part of a funeral procession. Watch you all of them.
I'm just saying, but I pull over so he going a mile in and the man. He was driving slow, but he didn't want to stay behind. I mean, he coming up when I pull over for fire truck and ambulance.
Everybody run behind them.
And me pull over so they can't pass. As soon as they pass me. I pull over so they can pass. Wait until me mama. Oh, this one, I'm so much this again. Oh, to the right.
I think you have to find a real estate agent to ask them what is going on. Because there's so many places being built.
Please.
I'm sorry.
Very, very knowledgeable about Jamaica. Very
sorry.
Remember the guy?
We'll get some street food.
I'm going to eat.
The chicken sauce smells good.
How much for the chicken? How much for your food, girl?
Let me need a little more.
Yeah.
Let me need a little more jerk sauce on it. Now, I did say on another platform that the first thing I'm having when I land in Jamaica is jerk chicken with bame or festival or both. It wasn't exactly the first thing I had on this trip, but
I want you to taste the pork and tell me if it's fresh. Oh, the festival does taste good though. Fresh and crunchy. Just me. I can't bring it back from tomorrow from yesterday. I'm worried about the pork though. The way my stomach set up, I'm afraid of everything now. Just have some ginger ready.
Now, this was Yala's Square in St. Thomas, and the chicken was so good, the pork was so good, the festival was so fresh, and then I washed it down with some soup. I forgot what it, chicken foot soup with beans. Oh my goodness, I can taste it right now. I want to go right back.
Chicken cooked good. Chicken tastes good. This has something special upon it. Cecile's Bar, Lily Oasis Grocery. That's where the jerk chicken there. What is the soup like? Oh, chicken soup with chicken soup with broad bean.
Everything together?
Ooh, the soup hot. So it's chicken foot soup with broad bean himself. Chicken foot soup with broad bean. Very hot. Tastes fresh. So them always sell off. So let's hope it doesn't affect my stomach, because the way my stomach set up right now. Yes, I put your cover, girl. Can you put the soup in this? You can. That's your cover.
You not come free money.
What the years get an adult store?
I think it's chicken foot soup because I probably one foot in it.
One more soup, man.
And that's the foot yet though.
Make it up. I'm making some breadfruit here. Oh my god. Yeah, we're going to get the breadfruit.
Oh, it hot. Slow down. She a hurry because the bus on the driveway. Oh, keep on my lap, please.
2 soup with cover. 2. That means 500. I live on care with you.
I know, right? I'm recording a video. That's terrible. Start my business now.
500 to 2. There's a 1-2 chicken.
Huh?
There's a 1-2 chicken.
2 chicken?
2 more chicken.
Oh, can in.
You don't sell chicken?
I mean, sell chicken. I mean, I sell chicken at a time.
What do you mean from him?
How much for the chicken? How much for this?
$200.
And how much for the 2 chicken?
$2,000.
Well, this is for the chicken and the soda. Come on, man. What you buy, Friday?
No problem.
Alright, so 2 chicken. To go!
Yeah, but like a boy.
That's soup. If that's soup,
That's Devon in the yellows.
And that's soup.
I lose all etiquette. That was Devon in the yellows.
Gotcha.
And I'm talking with food in my mouth. And I know.